In this lecture, we are going to provide the windows in our room, and in the WC. So for that, what we will do is I will start from the bedroom. So these are the two bedrooms, and here I will add a window here. So for that, what I will do is I will just simply type WN from my keyboard, which is a shortcut key for adding the window. Or what you can do is you can just simply go to architecture, and here in the window as well, you can just simply go and click on this one. Now after that, I will just simply go and click on load family, and let's go back to Windows. So right now, as you can see here, that I am in the US template, and I will simply go to Windows, and from here you will get all bunch of different options for the Windows. So I will look for M window casement. Let's look for, okay, so here it is. Okay, so let's go with this one, which is M window casement triple middle transform. Let's simply click on that and then click on open. So as you can see here that we have only this size available, but if you want to make any kind of changes, you can do that thing as well. But as of now, we don't have any kind of changes. So if you want to change the dimension of that, you already know how to do this. All you need is just to simply go to edit tab, and then from there you have to duplicate this and make any changes you want. So I will place this window at the center. I will try to place that window at the center. Okay, this is the center. Okay, and here as well I will place the same window. Okay, now if you look at the distance, you can see that this one is 700, so I can make this one 400, and now this one is at the center. Now after that, I will place a window here in the WC. So for that, I will be using different kind of windows. So for that, I will again go to WN. I will again type WN, and then I will go to load family. And from here, I will look for some different windows. So let's look for that one as well. So this time you can see you have bunch of different options. So from here you can use any of this. So I will just simply select on that one, and then I will simply hit OK. So I will choose a size of 900 into 1650, this one, and then I will hit OK. And then I will place that window here. So you have to look for this sign, because you just don't need to place a window on the in the wrong direction. Make sure that this line is on this side, on the outer side. You can see this is the outer side. So let's try to place that at the center. Now you can see that I have placed the place this window, and you can see this one is 580 and this one is 380. So let's try to place that at center. Okay, now if you look here, you can see that this one is placed. Okay, so now we will move to this side, and here we have to again place the windows. So this here as well, I will be using different kind of windows. So for that, I will simply type WN, then I will go to load family, and then I will look for let's say this one here. I'm single hung. I will simply go with this one, and then I will click on OK. So here I will be using 600 into 900. Okay, this one is here, and then click on OK, and then I will place the window here in this region. Okay, just like that. So then again I will place the window here as well. Okay, so now you can see that we have placed the window on both sides. If you want to just increase, want to just make it like that. Okay, now, so in this way you can place the windows in your plan. And now if you want to look all of these in 3D view, all you need is just to simply go to the 3D view, and you can have a look at these windows from the outside. You can see how these windows are looking. You can see, let's go back and let's look at this window as well. As you can see here, So this is the end of this lecture.